This audio overview was generated using AI for educational purposes by Carey Family Dental and does not replace a consultation with your dentist. Welcome to today's deep dive. We are getting into the world of, well, tooth-supported crowns today.
Yeah, it's something a lot of people have heard of, but maybe do not fully grasp the actual mechanics of.
Right. And whether you are prepping for an upcoming dental appointment or you're just curious about what goes on inside your mouth, consider this your shortcut to understanding the process, completely without the medical jargon.
I love that mission. So to start, what exactly is a tooth-supported crown? Basically, it is a permanent, non-removable restoration. It replaces weak, damaged, or just unsightly tooth structure.
And the process is surprisingly simple, right? It is really just 3 steps. You have shaping the tooth, taking an impression or a digital scan, and then cementing the final crown.
Simple in concept, definitely. But the materials matter immensely here.
Right. We have a few options. There is all ceramic, ceramic fused to metal or metal alloys like gold.
And our sources show some really clear visual evidence on why you would pick one over the other. For instance, if you have an unsightly old crown on a front tooth.
You want something that blends in.
Exactly. You seamlessly replace that with 2 highly aesthetic, all-ceramic crowns.
Because they look exactly like natural teeth.
Right. But gold might be used elsewhere, like in the back of the mouth, because it is so incredibly durable and it mimics the wear of natural enamel.
So a really common listener question we get is, why not just get a big filling?
Yeah, people ask, can I just get a big filling? And while a large pre-existing filling does seal the tooth, it does not protect a weakened tooth from breaking under pressure.
It acts almost like a wedge inside the tooth.
Precisely. Crowns offer superior benefits because they completely protect the tooth. They restore missing structure, improve the bite, and can dramatically upgrade how the tooth looks.
Okay, so here's where it gets really interesting.
The catch.
The catch, yes. The surprising risks, because there is a biological cost here. You could have potential tooth sensitivity lasting for months.
Which is no small thing.
No, it is not. And there is a 6% chance, sometimes higher, that the crown tooth might eventually need a root canal. Plus, you have the risk of gum recession exposing the junction between the crown and the tooth.
And there is also what I call the color conundrum.
Oh, the aesthetic risk.
Right. Natural teeth change color over time due to age or bleaching, but crowns do not.
Wow. So a perfectly matched crown today might stand out entirely years down the line.
Exactly. Your natural teeth shift in shade, and the crown just stays static.
Speaking of years down the line, let's look at longevity. Depending on the material, 80% of crowns are expected to last up to 20 years.
Which is a fantastic lifespan, but we do need a reality check. Excessive biting pressure can chip or wear them out.
Especially if you grind your teeth at night.
Yes. And decay can still sneak in on the exposed root surface if plaque builds up.
Right. So the final takeaway here is that your dentist is the ultimate guide in choosing the right crown for your specific mouth.
Absolutely. But it does leave us with a final question to ponder. If crowns do not age or change color like our natural bone and enamel do, how might that change the way we think about the timing of cosmetic dental procedures throughout our lives?